RV Life is more than just an RV trip planning tool. It is software. It does help us. It does help find campgrounds and RV ready routes, but it also is a community. There's many people on that you can ask questions. There is a community for many different kinds of RVs. So it's more than that. It's really helpful. I use RV Life for every trip we plan. It makes it so much easier. So, like I told you before, I use ChatGPT to find destinations and sightseeing places, and then I go to RV Life. So, Dean and I are going to be taking off for the Southeast to do some sightseeing in the next couple of weeks, and we're going to be gone about 6 weeks. So, anyway, I planned my trip in RV Life, and I'm glad we did. So I'm going to go through an overview today, but come back often because I'm going to go through every single part of RV Life so you understand how much it can help you. We really love the software and it really gets us from point A to point B. Here are the 5 ways RV Life helps RVers. The first one is RV Safe Trip Planning. So I'm going to log in. I'm going to go to Trip Wizard, go to Planner. Now I'm just going to show you what a trip looks like that I've worked on as an example. So we're going to do Civil War trip. Okay, so we're going to start in Vicksburg, Mississippi. So these are all the campgrounds, these little trailers here. So I picked Vicksburg, New Orleans, Montgomery, Alabama, Cartersville, Georgia. So I'm going to take away the campers, and that shows exactly where we're going to be for those nights. So if we click on one, brings up the campground that we'll be in. It tells you what amenities it has down here. And then you can click park details. You can get an overview, their phone number, their website, features that they have, reviews that they have, tips, and weather. So then when you're actually planning it, you just hit add to trip. So then if you want to see it bigger, you enlarge it, and then you can do the campgrounds, and it'll actually come up with the list of what's nearby in that circle. So you have many to choose from. 97 parks are in the view. So you do need to prepare the RV Life so that it knows how heavy your rig is and how long it is and everything. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So we're going to log in again. We're going to go to account settings, your RV garage. This is ours here, the primary RV. Okay, so now we're going to add an RV. We're going to do fifth wheel. So that you can see what this does for you, I'm going to put in a pretend RV. So we're going to do 2023. And we're going to do Jayco. And the model. And the trim. And hit next. And there you go. The height, length, width, and weight. So RV Life will use those measurements to help you stay on RV safe highways. Okay, the second thing that it's good at is that it has an RV safe GPS navigation. So after you build your trip on your computer, it syncs to your phone. The RV Life app provides turn-by-turn navigation tailored to your RV's info from the info we entered previously. It can even work offline, which is helpful when you're traveling through areas without reliable service. and campground discovery. There's probably 20,000 campgrounds that are listed, and you can get to it from two different ways. So let's look at the wizard again and see how you get through it that way. So we're going to do Trip Wizard, go to Planner. Okay, and so all these red trailers are all campgrounds, and then you can actually do filters so you can filter the ones you want, like Good Sam or Thousand Trails, all the different ones you can put in your filters. For now, we're not going to do any of that. I just wanted to show you what it looks like. Okay. So RV Life also includes a maintenance tracker. So we're going to go back to the beginning again. We're going to log in, look on the menu on the right for maintenance, right there. And you can also just type in maintenance.rvlife.com. So this help you keep track of everything you need to do for your rig and how often to do it. So it's really comes in handy. And then expert learning and community. So we're going to go back there. We're going to go to view more and communities. So RV Life communities. There's many different communities you can choose from. Some have to do with what kind of rig you have. So you can go through all of these and decide which ones you would like to belong to, because you can get a lot of answers that way. So all of these tools work together. You can plan on your computer, navigate on your phone, research campgrounds, track maintenance, and stay connected, all inside one platform. This here today was just a simple overview. In upcoming videos, I'll show you real trips inside Trip Wizard and break down each feature so you feel confident using it. If you travel in an RV and want to explore RV life for yourself, there's a link in my description that includes a 7-day free trial, and it gives you a 25% off the first year for new members only. I am an affiliate for RV Life, so if you choose to subscribe with my link, I may earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. Thanks for being here. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Be sure to come back and watch more tutorials on RV Life and ChatGPT. So be sure to watch my first one for travel planning with ChatGPT. I'll have it up in the corner. So have a great day. Thanks for coming.